Hi everyone, my name is Megan Peters and I'm an assistant professor of cognitive sciences at UC Irvine. In our lab, our primary goal is to understand how the brain represents and uses uncertainty and how we can use sophisticated cognitive and computational neuroscience methods to develop and test theories about metacognition and consciousness. A lot of what we study in the lab has to do with metacognition, so I thought I'd give you a taste of what is metacognition. So metacognition is the brain's ability to evaluate decisional uncertainty. It's about the level of confidence you feel in your perceptual experiences. So, for example, you're driving down this road and you think that the thing up there in the road up ahead is a car and not a deer or a tree. But also you feel a certain sense of confidence or certainty in your decision. So understanding how the brain makes these evaluations of the robustness of its percepts and decisions is a really core question that's relevant to many fields, not just for human neuroscience and cognitive science, but also in artificial systems that we want to build to act in intelligent ways. And it's also relevant for understanding health and disease, because there are a number of disorders where this ability breaks down. So in our research, we think that the cognitive and neural computations that underlie this metacognitive ability can also tell us about how the brain creates and supports conscious awareness as well. So to study these topics, we use a combination of psychophysics, functional neuroimaging, computational modeling, and artificial intelligence and machine learning. And to give you a taste of what this is like, I thought I'd let a few of the students in the lab tell you about what they're working on.
Hi, my name is Olenka. I just graduated from UC Riverside and I'll be starting my first quarter of graduate school this fall. I'm generally interested in the science of consciousness, and right now I'm working on a research proposal that looks at the relationship between attention, visual awareness, and different frequency bands of neural oscillations.
My name is Vanessa Ceja, and I am a second-year graduate student in Megan Peters' lab. My project combines behavioral data with structural MRI analysis of neurotypical participants and individuals suffering from neurodegenerative disorders in order to quantify the physical and behavioral deficits brought on by these disorders, as well as understand the dynamic relationship between the two by capturing these changes in a spectral manner.
Hi, my name is Mehdi. I am a second-year PhD student at Department of Cognitive Sciences at UCI. I work in Dr. Peters' lab, and in my research, I use applications of machine learning and deep learning on fMRI data in order to understand how different regions of the brain share information with each other.
My name is Shada, and I work on understanding the neural computations underlying perceptual decision-making and the accuracy of one's metacognitive system. In order to investigate these, the paradigm of my project uses a combination of noisy visual stimuli and brain imaging, specifically functional magnetic resonance imaging, also known as fMRI, in humans.
Hi, my name is Andrew Hansen, and I use artificial neural networks to create cognitive agents and model the effects of meta-learning in simulated systems. I hope to bridge the gap between cognitive science literature and what artificial neural networks can help us learn about metacognition and meta-learning.
So if that wasn't enough, and you want to know more, you can check out the longer videos and other information on our lab webpage here, or get in touch with me or other members of the lab. Thanks.